Hello and welcome to the sprint Find and Manage Your Dependencies. This is a skill that makes you stand out because it's one that hiring managers really look for. Our goal in this sprint is for you to learn to work with dependencies by you watching me work with mine, then you practicing with yours. By the end of this sprint, you'll be able to spot dependencies in your own backlog and handle them proactively. So remember my backlog? The one for get the Scrum Master job. Let's use it to practice looking for dependencies. Dependencies means one piece of work that depends on a different piece of work. So here's the list of original dependencies I created for my get the Scrum Master job work. Let's start with practice writing stories in correct format. That depends on another piece of work, which is practice creating real backlog. Congratulations, you just found your first dependency. Now here's another dependency. Learn how to create the key Scrum metrics and how to use them. So let's think about it. Is there anything it depends on? You bet. It depends on learn the pieces of Jira the Scrum Master needs. Okay, now that you have the concept of dependencies and have seen a real example, it's your turn to practice and build your skills. Take another look at your backlog, only this time look for dependencies. Then, number 1, group or sequence them appropriately. Or number 2, add any necessary work items you might need to ensure they work well together. And congratulations, you completed the dependencies sprint. Our goal in this sprint was for you to learn to work with dependencies by you watching me work with mine, then you practicing yours. By now, you should be able to spot dependencies in your backlog and handle them proactively. In the next sprint, you'll continue your basics by reviewing and practicing how to convert your to-dos to user-facing story format.